When I was in Indianapolis, I found this car. So this is called an MF5 Superlight, and it's a 5-rotor, 1,100 wheel horsepower race car that sounds incredible. But why does it almost sound like a Formula One car? Well, according to the builder, David, the rotary fires like a piston motor. That's 2-stroke. So a piston engine, like Ferrari's F2004, a 5-rotor sounds nearly identical to it with the same exhaust orchestra at 9,000 RPM. As long as you don't blow them up. And if that's not enough to tickle the incognito search, this car is street legal. But what do you think? I'm Alex, I travel the world for cars, so follow along, and I hope to see you tomorrow.